me and my friend. My name is Halima Raza and my friend name is Minahil Habib. We have made a project about greenhouse effect. A greenhouse effect is trapping of heat from the sun. The greenhouse is made up of glass and is used to keep a plant warm in temperature so that plant can grow well. Greenhouse gases in the earth's atmosphere act like the glass of the greenhouse by letting in sunlight and preventing the hard giver from escaping back into space. This is called greenhouse. Now my friend tells you about greenhouse gases and harmful effects. Carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor and oxide, or nitrogen and normally ozone are the naturally acting the greenhouse gases. These gases have to heat to earth in a normal temperature and greenhouse gases, but when human beings are upsetting and balance of these temperature greenhouse gases in the ozone layer in the ice cap. But I hope that you have learned about greenhouse effects which are really harmful for us and our environment. For this purpose, we should take some preventive measures. Thank you.